Hi, this is Al Cannon. Welcome back to my channel. I had some wonderful news. I'm back on Twitter. Well, now it's X, of course. I was suspended over 2.5 years ago for a comment I made about the New York City subways. And apparently the old regime didn't like the word that I used, kick. And they said I was trying to incite violence. No. But yet, Twitter, when it was Twitter with the reject from the Muppets that were operating that company at the time before Elon Musk, they were doing their own version of Media Matters and screwing people left and right, especially the right, but even people on the left like me, for no reason. And they said it was an act of violence when in fact they said what I said because I wanted the system to be cleaned up. Not long after Michelle Go was pushed in front of a train by an individual who needed help, and they didn't give it to him, so he ends up on the street, on the subway, and then you have an organization that wanted to help the homeless stay on the subway, which ironically, her company was donating money to this company, and they got screwed twice. They lost their employee in this horrible incident, and the company ends up with egg in their face because the company that the group they were helping didn't help the situation. So, in the fact I was criticizing, without even saying his name, Alan Braggs, and the subway system is still in a dangerous place. It's not gotten any better. We just had a stabbing a few days ago in Jamaica, Queens, Jamaica Van Wyck. A woman was stabbed by a beggar because she wouldn't give him any money. And the ironic thing is, a Venezuelan migrant, father of 5, stepped in, helped the woman that was stabbed, and held the suspect until the police come and arrested him. See, the system is still not safe. The system still needs to be cleaned up. I'm back. I'm going to put whatever videos up there, whatever it is, as soon as possible. Because I just want to eventually earn some revenue so I can pay bills and stuff. Maybe have something nice for my wife later on. But I'm back. So, if you want to follow me on X, you can go ahead. And, of course, I'll be following Doug in Exile. So, oh yeah, by the way, Doug in Exile, he's also on Locals. So, check him out. If you can help him out financially, you can do it by Locals. So, this is Al Cannon saying so long for now. Don't forget to stop. Yes, the bird has flown, but the X has marked the spot for social freedom to a point. But it's getting there.